Finding the right home takes more than luck. There's preparation, strategy, and experience. It does matter. Every home has a story, and my job is to help you see its potential the moment you walk in. I work closely with trusted professionals to make sure every detail is right, so that you can focus on finding the one that feels like home. We capture just not the house, but the lifestyle that comes with it. Behind the scenes, inspectors, maintenance teams keep you informed so that there are no surprises along the way. My focus is helping you find the right fit, a home that matches your lifestyle and your goals. From the first tour to closing day, I coordinate every detail so that you can enjoy the process in peace. Because finding a home isn't just a transaction, it's a journey by design. I'm David Richins, and when you work with me, you can trust that every detail in your transaction is handled with care.